In the quiet village of Leavenworth, Jessica lived with her daughter, Lisa. Life in the village was hard. Eliza and his son Lucas, living in the Wenatchee. The river dried up years ago, and the villagers relied on a single water cellar owned by a cunning merchant, Mr. Richard.
Lisa, how long will you keep avoiding this?
Mom, not this again.
You're not getting any younger.
I have a lot of work to do at the farmhouse today.
You're always so busy with the farmhouse. If you like someone, I'll arrange your marriage with him.
Nothing like that. I need to get there before the laborers arrive. They might already be there by now.
Our neighbor Jenny found a good match for you in Wenatchee Village.
Wenatchee Village? That's far. Can't we find someone closer?
This boy is perfect, beautiful, and educated. Jenny says he's ideal for you. Please just go and see him.
Fine. Once I'm done with the farm work in a few days, I'll go. But only because you insist.
Good. While you're at it, visit your aunt's place in Germantown too.
All right, Mom. If I don't like him, that's the end of it.
Just go with an open mind, Lisa.
Lisa traveled to Wenatchee to meet the groom's family. She felt thirsty and knocked on the door for water. Eliza stood outside their small hut, her face etched with worry. Lucas, a hard-working young man in his 20s, walked out carrying a bundle of carpeting tools.
Lucas, before you head to the work, we need to talk. The water in the pot is almost gone.
I know, Mom.
We can't keep buying from Mr. Richard at this rate.
Every dollar I earn goes to buying water.
What do we do?
How can we grow crops if we can't afford water to drink?
We can't keep living like this. Why don't we speak to the other villagers?
You're right, Mom. I'll talk to them after work today. Who could that be?
Sorry to disturb you. I was just passing by and felt really thirsty. Could I have some water?
Of course. Please come in.
Eliza goes to get some water while Lisa steps inside. She notices Lucas and gasps.
Lisa.
Lucas.
Wow, it really has been a long time. Is that you? I can't believe it.
It's been ages since high school.
What brings you here?
I've been visiting my relatives in the next village. I didn't know you were here. I overheard you and Mom talking about water.
It's bad, Lisa. The well in our village has dried up. We've been buying water from Mr. Richard's family. It's draining everything we earn.
I understand completely. My family has been buying water from him too. It's been a struggle since the rain stopped.
We were just talking about getting the villagers together to find a solution.
That's a great idea. Maybe we can build a new well, or find another water source.
That evening, Lucas gathered the villagers. Their faces mirrored his struggles, tired, thirsty, and desperate.
The government promised a water tank last year, but nothing has been done.
We need to find another source of water.
Mr. Richard is squeezing us dry.
But what can we do? We've dug wells everywhere, and none have yielded water.
Friends, we can't go on like this.
If we work together, we can dig a pond or deepen the dried riverbed. Even if it doesn't rain much, it could collect enough water for us to share.
That will take weeks, and we need water now.
True, but if we don't act, things will only get worse.
Let's start tomorrow.
Meanwhile, I'll speak to Richard and see if he'll reduce his prices.
The next day, Lucas approached Richard. The merchant greeted him with a sly smile.
Ah, Lucas. Here to buy water again?
No, Mr. Richard. I'm here to ask for your help. Can't you lower the price of water for the villagers? We're struggling to survive.
Help? This is business, my boy. If you can't pay, you don't get water. Simple.
You're profiting off our misery. Without water, There will be no crops, no income. Your business will dry up too.
Then you'd better pray for rain, Lucas. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have customers to attend to.
Lucas returned to the square, his heart heavy, but his resolve strong. He shared Richard's response with the villagers.
We can't depend on people like him.
Let's focus on our plan.
I'll bring my oxen to help.
I'll provide food for the workers.
Thank you all. Together, we can do this.
The villagers began the excavation. A week later.
Mom, it's been weeks. We've dug so much and still no sign of water.
We are very tired.
It feels hopeless, Lucas.
Maybe we should stop this and try a different plan.
I know it's frustrating, but what if we're closer than we think?
I don't know, Lisa. It feels like we're just wasting time and energy.
Lucas, let me share a story with you all.
A story? At a time like this?
Sometimes a story is exactly what we need. There were 3 friends who learned about a treasure of gold buried under the ground. Excited, they all started digging.
And did they find it?
2 of them gave up after digging 10 feet. They thought it was foolish and left. But the 3rd friend? He didn't stop. He kept digging.
How far did he go?
Just 5 more feet. And do you know what happened?
What?
He found the gold. All of it. Because he refused to give up when the others did.
So, you're saying we might be just a few feet away from finding water?
Exactly. Sometimes, success is just a little more effort away.
Giving up now would waste everything we've done.
I'm with you, Lucas. Let's try one more time.
One evening, as the sun dipped below the hills, a shout rang out.
Water. There's water.
We did it, everyone. The well is finally complete.
I can't believe it. Water. We finally have water.
Lucas, my boy, you've made me so proud. This well will change everything for us.
It wasn't just Lucas. Everyone pitched in. Even the kids helped.
Yes, but Lucas led us.
We couldn't have achieved this without his drive.
It wasn't just me. This was a team effort. Everyone's hard work made this possible.
This well is more than just water. It's hope for the future, thanks to all of you.
Let's celebrate tonight. The whole village should gather to honor this achievement.
Agreed. But first, let's see that water flow. Shall we, Lisa?
Let's do it. Everyone, gather around.
With the new water source, life in Leavenworth began to improve. The villagers built a simple system to share the water fairly. Richard's monopoly ended, and he left the village in search of greener pastures. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English more, please subscribe to 2-Minute English channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.